Aerial. Meaning. Aerial refers to something related to the air or the atmosphere, often associated with flight or being in the sky. It can also describe something that is light or airy in appearance. Definition. Aerial is an adjective used to describe things that are related to or happening in the air or the atmosphere. It can also be used to describe objects or views that come from or are seen from above, like from a plane or a high place. Examples in sentences. 1. The aerial view from the helicopter was breathtaking. Here, aerial describes a view from a high point, typically from the sky. 2. They installed an aerial antenna on the roof to improve TV signal reception. In this case, aerial refers to a device used for receiving signals, typically positioned above the ground. Usage. Aerial is commonly used in contexts related to aviation, photography, or any activities taking place above the ground. It is often associated with things like aerial views, aerial maps, or aerial acrobatics.
English practice.